Come on.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Investing with Saraan. Today we have an important video for our new series. As I mentioned last week, today will be the day where I introduce the second stock for the Small Account Growth Challenge. The company that I'm going to talk about is a very nice company that I think will have a great potential in the future. The main purpose of this series, as I said last week, is to show how a university student without a lot of money like myself can build up a nice growth portfolio with a small account. With that information, let's go into detail into the second stock in this small growth challenge, Wealthsimple Trade. The stock that I'm focused on is on CloudMD Software and Services, ticker symbol DOC.V, on the TSX Venture or DOCRF on the OTC market. I currently bought the stock at $1.79 Canadian and bought 8 shares of it. In the rest of the video, I'll be going through the surface level look at the company and explain why I'm adding it to my portfolio. Later on in this challenge, I'll be going through an in-depth analysis of the company to solidify my hypothesis on the stock. CloudMD Software and Services is a telehealth company based in Vancouver, Canada. They are a rapidly growing technology company that focuses on digitizing the delivery of healthcare by providing patients access to all points of their care from their phone, tablet, or desktop computer. They also have developed proprietary technology that develops quality healthcare through the combination of connected primary care clinics, telemedicine, and artificial intelligence. CloudMD's team-based whole-person approach to healthcare aims to engage patients and empower doctors while connecting the entire health ecosystem and providing longitudinal care. When going on their website, you can see the expectations that potential customers get from their clients. With CloudMD, patients get no charge to BC and Ontario residents. They have access to doctors in the evenings and weekends. They have simple and easy to use interface. They can connect from any device. They have scripts sent directly from your doctor to a local pharmacy. They have qualified Canadian doctors. They have no need to take off time for work to actually go to the doctor, and they can avoid unnecessary visits to the ER. Now that you know a little bit about the company, we can look at the product or service that they provide and the customers that they target in general. CloudMD offers their SaaS software as a service based health technology solutions to medical clinics across North America. They have developed proprietary technology that delivers quality healthcare through the combination of connected hybrid clinics, telemedicine, healthcare technology solutions, and artificial intelligence, as known as AI. CloudMD provides service to combined ecosystem of over 500 clinics, 4,000 licensed practitioners, and 8 million patient charts across North America. CloudMD also provides a complete suite of telemedicine software, including quick consumer solutions and enterprise solutions. Their on-demand appointment booking allows patients to skip the process of selecting an appointment and instead opt to see a doctor now by joining a queue in the clinic's virtual waiting room. It provides patients fast and easy access to virtual telemedicine. Their product also additionally allows patients to access licensed doctors through an easy-to-use kiosk at the local pharmacy. They are able to get prescriptions filled faster and spend less time at the doctor's office, which is one of their main focuses for telehealth. They're partnering with local pharmacies to provide an on-demand virtual care right from the patient's local pharmacy. These partnering pharmacies include Save on the Foods Pharmacy, Pure Integrative Pharmacy, and much more. This may all sound like a fairy tale, but when you go to their website, you can easily see the proof. The main purpose of this service is designed for prescriptions and to diagnose non-emergency conditions, such as colds, flu, skin conditions, urinary tract infection, dizziness, fever and headache, and much more. Patients who have non-emergency conditions like these will just need to go to their pharmacy's private consultation room and see a doctor online right away. After their virtual doctor visit, they'll be able to pick up their medication immediately from the pharmacy. This telehealth company makes a long and a painful appointment fast and easy, which is one of the main focuses for this company. In addition to the reduced time spent at the doctor's office, they have also developed an innovative healthcare application that enables and supports physicians in a longitudinal care of patients' health. Their patient-centric focus places the power back on the hands of a patient via a personalized health record that stores, manages, and enables sharing of health information, which is really beneficial. They understand that technology as a whole is a great equalizer and an asset for people around the world. With technology as a whole and their network of in-person hybrid clinics, CloudMD can provide better and easier access with team-based holistic care plans. Their patients have increased access to their charts, lab results, and the ability to securely chat with clinical staff, reorder prescriptions, and share remote health monitoring data with their doctor, all at their fingertips. This enables an efficient but private access point for every patient inquiring on their health data. In fact, when you look at their website, you can see the various different ways that their service paired with the professionals can benefit patients. Their doctors can complete the following visits via telemedicine: general medical advice, new and renewed medications, sick notes, specialist referrals, review of test and lab results, cough or cold sinus infections, rashes and skin inflammation, mental health appointments, birth control pill, urinary tract infection, also known as UTI, and diet and nutrition concerns, which all of these are just a few they can name. After going through the company product and the company itself, it's important to look at what's behind the whole company. Like I've said in the last video in this challenge, the reason for this is that with good leadership, you're able to create a vision that can motivate people to make it a reality. Examples I've included last week were Elon Musk with Tesla and the late Steve Jobs with Apple. Now, when you're looking at the leadership team, I look at the CEO, and in this case, it's Dr. Issam Hamza. Dr. Hamza, who's also the director of CloudMD, has a great experience in this field as he completed his MD and family practice degree at the University of Alberta in 1999. He founded Health VUE in 2005, which grew the business to include the 4 interconnected high-tech clinics serving over 100,000 patients overall. He also has extensive capital markets experience, taking private companies public and sitting on public company boards. With his leadership, he has built a team with Dr. Amit Mathur, President of CloudMD, Daniel Lee, Chief Financial Officer of CloudMD, and many more qualified names to propel his company into success. Not only does this company have a great CEO and leadership team, they also have a diverse group of members, part of the board of directors and chairman advisory board. These individuals have ample experience on their side, which proves to be beneficial to their company. Next, we'll be looking at the financials. As I said in the first stock of this portfolio, the first thing I would look into a stock's financials is their ability to earn revenue. And CloudMD's latest quarterly report, they did great. In terms of revenue, CloudMD earned $8.8 million in the first quarter of 2021. This is pretty impressive, but what makes it more outstanding is the percentage of growth that they've had compared to the previous year. In the first quarter of 2020, they've only earned $3,570,000, which is almost 200% increase of 2021. Next, I would look at their gross profit and their ability for it to increase yearly. By comparing the first quarters of 2020 and 2021, I can see that the gross profit margin is still growing even though the cost of goods have been increasing as well. This is a good sign as investors understand their ability to earn revenue while keeping the gross profit margin and increasing that margin. After looking at the gross profit margin, it will make sense for investors to look at the net profit in the company. Unfortunately for this company, they're at a net loss currently, with a significant increase of general and administrative expenses as well as expenses related to share-based compensation. The net loss has increased by 200% from the previous year in 2020. I'm hoping that this can improve in the year to come. Lastly, we will look at the company's total cash on hand. This is important to look at because for most companies, cash on hand is incredibly important to deal with debt and current liabilities as it's much easier to liquidate. In CloudMD's case, their cash on hand is $99,220,000. This makes up almost 50% of their total assets, which is a good thing for the company that deals with liabilities such as CloudMD. My overall thoughts for CloudMD are very optimistic. They're in an industry that is rapidly growing for the decade to come, and in my small growth portfolio, it will be a bigger focus. This is because in this industry there are increasing government initiatives that are propelling telehealth growth, as well as the rising cost of telehealth care. This alone can boost this market's potential to grow. In specific numbers, the global telehealth market size was valued at $61.4 billion in 2019 and is projected to reach $559 billion in 2027, exhibiting a cumulative average growth rate of 25.2% during the forecast period. CloudMD is a company that is part of this telehealth industry and is poised for the future. With more acquisitions and an improvement in their financials, I can at least see myself doubling my investment in this company. I can see this going to $5 by the end of 2021. One disclaimer that I want to give is that the opinions and views shared on my channel, Investing with Saraan, are for informational, entertainment, and educational purposes only. This is not a financial advice. Most importantly, you should always do your own research before investing. But if you do want to invest in CloudMD after doing your own research and due diligence, I've got good news for you. If you want to use the link in the description or using the code on the right of the screen, QDSGTG, you'll be able to invest with Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple Trade is a commission-free trading platform with instant deposits and much more. Plus, by using this code and investing $100, you'll be able to get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,500. But with that information, join me next Monday where I'll show you my 3rd stock in this portfolio. If you guys want to join my dividend journey and learn some concept of investing, punch that subscribe button and drop a like. Remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It's been Saraan, and join me next time on Investing with Saraan.